let's make healthy pizza Lunchables. These are the ingredients I'll be using in this video. The first ingredient I'm using is some mozzarella shredded cheese. The second ingredient I'm using is some pepperonis from Armour. The third ingredient I'm going to be using is some pizza sauce from Contadina. And the last ingredient I'm using is some Italian seasoning that I got from a spice store. So I've just preheated the oven to 400 degrees, and now it's time to put the parchment paper on a cookie sheet. So to start off these healthy Lunchables, let's go with the cheese first. And this cheese will act like the crust. And when making these, make sure that your mounds are not that big so that when they're in the oven and they melt, they don't stick together. And now it's time to add the pizza sauce. I added way too much in the first one, but it fell out. So I added a little bit more sauce because I like my pizza saucy. So if you want your pizza to be less saucy, then put as much as you would like. And now it's time to put some pepperonis on the pizza. Now these pepperonis that I'm using are pretty big, so I'm just gonna put one on each. But if your pizzas are bigger, then you can put as many as you could fit. And the reason we started with cheese for the crust is because this is a keto version of mini pizzas. And before I put them in the oven, I'm gonna add some Italian seasoning to them. And now that I'm done seasoning them, it's time to put them in the oven for 12 minutes. She's gonna take them out the oven now. Look at how they expanded though. Look at these pizzas. So beautiful. So I'm gonna let them cool for about 3 to 5 minutes and then I'm gonna dish them up. So it's been 3 to 5 minutes and it's time to dish them up. Hooray! All right, the pizzas are ready and you can always add Parmesan or red pepper flakes. Red pepper flakes. So let's try it.
We're ready to try it. See what these taste like.
Manja.
Oh, these are so good for my keto lifestyle. Good job.
Thank you. They're good for your keto lifestyle and they're good for my stomach. Thank you for watching. If you want to try this at home, you just have to get these ingredients and it's really easy to make. It's really fun. And yeah, while you're here though, while you're watching this video, because I know you're here, you wouldn't be seeing this right now, like and subscribe. And please comment down below what I should make in my next video. I need you guys to give me some ideas so I can help you guys and show you guys how to make some cool stuff. So if you guys want me to make something, comment down below and I'll probably make it. Bye-bye. And as always, it's always good to have a grandma who cleans it up.